happening, people? So it's Saturday, right? Yeah, Saturday. Went out yesterday, so haven't gone out in months. First time in LA, so I'm a bit hungover. Having some food, some burrito bowl here with the mate.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? It's pretty funny because I met him in Spain, in Madrid, when I went back in summer. He texted me the other day that he was here in holiday, so we just met up, have a beer and get grilled, man. Gonna go work out, even though I'm hungover, but can't really resist getting me. Going on, people? So I just got here to the studio of my tattoo artist, and this is his bike. Oh, Honda CBR, that's mine. Suzuki. So we're about to get, fuck, there's no light here, man. Ooh. Boom! So we're coming into the studio. This is like a studio place where my artist is. We're in LA, so let's get some ink, some more ink. How you doing, mate?
Y a veces todo se junta, you know?
Yeah, it's a draft, mate. We're doing it smaller. That's a fucking beast, mate. Good. This is a fucking Turbo Finger King, man. Yeah, it's sick. Damn, man. I'm dizzy, man. Fuck.
Okay, so, ya la vamos aquí.
Damn, man. I'm tired even with shit hair.
No, you don't have shit hair.
No shit hair. Dude, I literally, I was stopped in this, how you say, lights?
Intersection?
Lights? There were lights.
Intersection.
And I stopped beside this other superbike, like super sport, like big 600. And the guy, it was like, we were speaking, he was like, damn, your bike sounds good, rev it. And I was revving, it's like, dude, like hit the gas, see how it sounds. And I went off the lights, just full gas, but like fucking popped the wheelie, blah, blah. And suddenly this police car beside, dude, I was like, fuck. I thought I was getting busted, man. You say busted or like?
Pulled over?
Pulled over, like raped, dude. I was gonna get raped, mate. Like my wallet was gonna get raped, dude. And no one came, dude. I think she gave me luck, man. The angel was behind with the charger, dude. Can you see my hand?
Yeah, it looks pretty sick.
Dude, finally I got someone that teach me, because I used to see all these the same, like just like red sauce. So apparently she knows.
Yes, I do.
She knows the difference. Yeah. What's the difference? They're red, man. I see everything red. I see like everything tastes tomato, but no, right? What did you get here?
It's marinara. This one's just regular.
Regular?
Yeah. We'll see what we can do with it.
Okay, we'll see.
He doesn't like cheese,
I'm gonna
so.
grow with that. I'm gonna grow?
Yeah.
Oh, what
Yeah.
shit, that doesn't
Yeah.
look very convincing to me.
So we're putting it back.
Oh, yeah, back. Looks like this is the good shit, mate. You gotta get on this. She says so. So, girls that know how to cook, man, you need to do what they say, dude. Oh, sore, mate. Sore. Looks nasty, man. But this girl laughs everything, dude.
I do.
You're funny.
I'm that funny.
Yeah, you
I
are.
know. I don't cool that, you know, but I didn't know so much, man.
You're funny.
Pasta. We need carbs.
Okay, so
What are we getting for carbs?
this, to be honest, all tastes the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look how
It
cute
does.
she
It's
looks
just
with
a
her
different.
purse.
It's just what's easier to eat, basically.
Jim with her purse. Hey.
That's how I roll.
So what's the difference between all this?
It's
I
just
see
basically-
everything yellow.
Because yeah, this all does taste the same.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool. So we can just grab anything. Right?
Anything, but do you want
Yellow
something
it.
simple?
Yellow it. He's searching the ground beef. She doesn't know where it is. It's not ideal, mate. It's not ideal. So if I'm looking to bulk, ground beef. Yeah, sweet. And I get massive, dude. Damn, yo, I need to take some cream for the tart and some cooking some gains, man. What we have here? Some beef, pasta, simple carbs, proteins, and fats. Right?
Good deal.
Muscle car, muscles, sports bike, American bird. Damn boy, sexy ass.
Oh, I thought you were talking about
This is what I this is what I like about bikes too. You never pay in parkings. She's paying, yes. Cashing out on her, not on me. Oh, you know what? You know which song I'm gonna put now? Have you closed your car? You know which song I'm gonna put now?
What?
Like after when I edit, I'm gonna put the one of like.
I don't got no type.
Oh, that's awesome.
I don't got no type. Nah. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like.
Oh, that's awesome. So bad.
Yes, man. Let's look for 24-hour fitness. Let's check out new gym. I love visiting new gyms.
I don't got no type.
You'll like this.
Oh, weights, untouched weights waiting to be uplifted.
These are definitely untouched weights. So.
Fuck, man. I'm fucked. My hand is red, dude. Like, I try to press. I'm trying to be doing bench press and this like guy. My heart is fucking hurting, mate. I feel like it's gonna crack the fucking. I don't think I should be working out, mate. So I'm gonna try and like work around chest. I did legs yesterday, but yeah, it's hard, man. We do a tattoo, but you can go to the gym. It's as long as you don't feel that it's really stretching. And I'm feeling when I turn my hand like that back to get the fucking grip, it's like hurting, dude. So it's all red and shit. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. See, it's so red, dude. So yeah, let's see what we can do. We're gonna do bits and bits here. Nah, mate. My hand doesn't want me to work out. It's fucked up. I tried to fly. It touches to the core. I'm gonna try and doing the incline. I was okay, and then I smashed like 10 sets of that.
Looks good, dude.
Hey, you.
I like your hair like that.
Damn, my eyes are bright, dude.
Yeah. Good.
Feed me. Look, CrossFitter. It's CrossFitter, dude. She's doing kettlebell swings, man. Kettlebell swings, dude. Kettlebell
Just jealous
swings.
because he can't do them.
I'm jealous.
I don't got no type.
I think I'm gonna prepare for the Reebok Olympic National Extraterritorial Games. Fucking watch out, mate. Jealous is gonna CrossFit. And I think I'm gonna do maybe yoga.
Yeah, yoga.
Yoga. There's loads of
Pilates.
birds, mate, doing yoga.
It's true.